Are you looking as food preservation becomes increasingly important for both home cooks and professionals? Automatic food vacuum sealers have become a kitchen must-have. These machines extend food shelf life, reduce waste, and are especially useful for sous vide cooking. Whether you're storing fresh meat, prepping meals, or sealing delicate wet foods, this guide reviews top-performing models based on vacuum strength, ease of use, design quality, versatility, and overall value. Let's seal the deal. List number: Avid Armor Ultra Series USV32 Premium Chamber Vacuum Sealer Machine. The Avid Armor USV32 is a high-performance chamber vacuum sealer ideal for serious home cooks and professionals. Unlike edge sealers, this chamber model handles liquid-rich foods effortlessly, perfect for soups, sauces, and marinades. The sleek stainless steel build screams durability and is surprisingly compact for a chamber unit. Users can fully control vacuum pressure and sealing time, allowing precise customization. The 11.5-inch sealing bar fits various pouch sizes, and the clear lid gives you full visibility. While it's on the pricier side, it's a worthwhile investment if you vacuum seal frequently or run a small food business. Its powerful dual-piston pump provides a reliable and consistent vacuum every time. If you're looking for a commercial-grade chamber vacuum sealer with home kitchen compatibility, this is our top pick. List number: Avid Armored Chamber Vacuum Sealer Machine USV20 Ultra Series. The Avid Armor USV20 offers similar chamber vacuum technology to the USV32, but at a slightly more accessible price point. It's designed with the same commitment to performance and quality, featuring a 10.25-inch seal bar and adjustable settings to accommodate both dry and moist foods. This model excels at vacuum sealing soups, stews, and meats for sous vide cooking. The transparent lid and easy-to-navigate control panel enhance usability. It's compact enough for most countertops, yet built to last with a durable stainless steel housing. While it lacks a few advanced features of the USV32, it retains impressive vacuum power and reliability. If you're new to chamber vacuum sealing or looking to upgrade from a basic edge sealer, the USV20 is a solid mid-range option. List number: FoodSaver V4400 2-in-1 Vacuum Sealer Machine. The FoodSaver V4400 is a bestseller for a reason. It blends functionality with ease of use, making it ideal for everyday users. This 2-in-1 model features automatic bag detection, sealing, and a built-in handheld sealer for zipper bags and containers. It comes with a starter kit, so you can begin sealing immediately. While it's not a chamber vacuum, it's great for dry foods, meats, and meal prep. The automatic sealing feature makes it super convenient, though users should be cautious when sealing liquids, as it's not ideal for wet foods. It includes a removable drip tray for easy cleanup, and the upright design saves counter space. With a trusted brand name and user-friendly design, the V4400 is perfect for families and casual users. List 4. 95 kPa Vacuum Sealer Machine. Full Automatic Food Sealer. If you're on a budget but still want strong vacuum sealing performance, this 95 kPa Vacuum Sealer Machine punches well above its weight, boasting powerful suction up to 95 kPa. It seals dry and moist foods quickly and reliably. The one-touch operation and full automation make it perfect for beginners. It comes with 5 pre-cut bags and supports multiple sealing modes, including moist and dry settings. The compact, lightweight build is a plus for smaller kitchens. While it doesn't include advanced features like a handheld sealer or bag cutter, its power and ease of use are impressive for the price. This is a great entry-level model for anyone wanting to dive into vacuum sealing without a big investment. List number 5. FoodSaver Vacuum Sealer Machine. Automatic bag detection, sous vide friendly. This FoodSaver vacuum sealer offers excellent value with its mix of convenience, efficiency, and accessories. It includes automatic bag detection, a built-in roll cutter, sealer bags, and a handheld vacuum attachment. making it versatile for a variety of uses. It's perfect for dry goods, freezer storage, or prepping sous vide meals. The black design looks sleek on any kitchen counter. Its intuitive controls make it suitable for beginners, while the included tools add functionality. Like other edge sealers, it struggles slightly with liquids, but for general sealing needs, it's highly reliable. If you're looking for a balance between price, performance, and extras, this food saver is a smart pick.